Stop wasting money. This one kitchen hack saves $300 monthly. Small kitchens waste space and money on 3 things. Fix these. Cancel these 3 habits to save big instantly. First, bulky appliances. Switch to a toaster oven. Save $20 weekly. Second, food waste. Meal prep and save $100 monthly. Third, dining out. Cook at home and save $180 monthly. That's $300 monthly or $3,600 yearly. Life-changing. The secret's simple. Optimize your space and habits. Start saving today with just one change. Which one will you try? Join the Frugal Food Hack Challenge. Comment below.